The min-a function will return the smallest value in a column, especially related to Boolean values like true, meaning 1, and false, meaning 0. The syntax is as follows. We're going to have min-a and then the column name. This is going to return the smallest number. Now, consider this. We have used a functions for Boolean values, true, false, flags, true, false, those types of items. So really the minimum is either they're all 1 and we get a 1, or there's a 0 somewhere and we're going to get a 0. That is what this is going to return. Kind of think of it like, again, a detective. Detectives are great for these min-x's, min-a's types of functions. They want to find the smallest value, but this is a very special detective. They have, I don't know, X-ray vision, and they can read those true, false as numbers. One way to think about this is plants, right? If we want to look at growth in plants, if they have sprouted, we'd have the value true. If they haven't, we'd get false. And then we could use min-a to determine, do we still have some that have not sprouted? That would be a use case. But let's build it together. All right, so I'm here looking at min-a. We're going to look at the finished goods flag, which will show us if we have additional steps to do on the product before we actually ship it out. So for min-a, we're going to go ahead and make a new measure on the measures table. I'm going to make sure we know this is min-a, so I'll put that inside of some parentheses. And we'll do min-a sales here. And we're going to use min-a to figure out on the dim product table what was the lowest value, 1 or 0. So in our finished goods here, I can see we do have some false values. So my expected result when I bring in the finished goods flag is that I should get a 0. And here's the thing about those a functions. They are lesser used because they typically stick to those Boolean values, which in a lot of people's data isn't as important or as crucial to assess. But if I need it, I'm going to be able to use it. I see min-a 0. And if I bring that through, the result should be 0. The total should be 0. But I should see appropriately 0 for my false values like black, Na, and silver. And the rest should have a 1. So that returns 0 because that truly is the minimum value since we have falses in our represented data. Pretty neat.